we're going to have to really take a look at how we move forward in expecting employees to get work done and complete work and be able to really change perhaps the way that we're doing it.
As we mentioned earlier, tomorrow marks the 1 year since the first confirmed case of COVID-19 here in Indiana. Over the last 365 days, different work sectors have been significantly impacted by the pandemic. And even as life begins trending back towards some normalcy, will the way organizations operate ever be the same?
CBS 4's Courtney Spinelli shares what some business management experts say.
I think that it's very unlikely that we'll just go back to how things were.
From empty offices to Zoom meetings, life as many know it in the workplace has changed significantly during the pandemic.
A lot of people thought that perhaps working remotely or working from home didn't fit their business model or it wouldn't work for their organization.
As IU Associate Professor Eric Gonzalez Mule points out, for many, this last year has proven it's actually quite the opposite.
Employers are realizing that people can work from home and can be effective doing that.
Business experts say the future of many organizations will likely be a combination of what we saw this past year.
What we're seeing is a lot of employers considering, hey, not coming back into the office at all.
And as Jeremy York, president and CEO of Invigorate HR, explains, Zoom fatigue and mental health concerns are challenging others to look to hybrid models.
Other employers are looking at it and saying, hey, you know what? We realize that mental health is important of our employees and how important it is to have that connection and engagement.
As businesses push forward, sick leave policies will likely be a hot topic for the future.
A lot of times people were brought up, oh, it's a good work ethic. I go to work even when I'm not well or anything.
The deadly pandemic showed us how important it is to stay home if you're sick without worrying if you'll get paid.
It also raises awareness about the importance of paid sick leave for organizations.
So the question remains, what will going to work mean going forward?
I don't think that we'll see just kind of a bounce back, everybody go back to the office and pretend nothing happened.
Reporting in Indianapolis, Courtney Spinelli, CBS 4 News.